Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer and this channel is all about personal finance, budgeting, and planning. If that's something you're interested in, then you may consider subscribing. I make weekly videos all about those topics. Today's video, we are going to be going into my 2020 planner and how I'm going to be planning for the year coming up. Now, this particular planner is going to be my personal planner. I do also have a budgeting planner and I also have a social media slash marketing, I guess you can say, planner. They all are in separate planners and I choose to do this because it's just a lot of information to carry with me everywhere that I go. So I am going to be setting up my planner in the Louis Vuitton Agenda MM. I've been having this for about a month now and I really haven't been able to review it 100% just because I don't have all my inserts in here just yet. I actually placed an order with Cloth and Paper, this is my very first order and I'm super excited about it because they have a more minimal functional feel to it, and that's right up my alley. I can't do too many stickers and I can't do too much colors. I'm a very simple person when it comes to my planner. I like my planner to be very functional, very simple, very to the point, and Cloth and Paper is exactly that. They are a minimal planning, I guess, company based out of Richmond, Virginia. This is my first order with them. I've always seen their stuff online and I'm super excited and pumped. As you can see, I kind of opened it a little bit just to take a peek inside, but I really wanted to review this with you guys before I opened it and set up my 2020 planner. Since it's January 1st, I thought what better way to celebrate the first of the year than to set up my 2020 planner with you guys. So if that's something you are interested in, then continue watching. Now we're going to go ahead and set up the planner. As you can see, it is empty. I took everything out just so that we can start from scratch and I wanted to set it up with you guys. I thought it was something that I can share with you all. It's exciting, especially a new year. I love setting up my planner every year. I love getting a new one. I don't know, it's something so pleasing about a new year. Maybe I'm the only one. If you are the same, comment below how you feel about a new year. I recently just got this new planner, which is very exciting. I will be doing a review on it very soon once I start getting into it and putting in my inserts and whatnot. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my little stickers. I think these are too big for the dividers. Yes, they are. But we can kind of just make it work. Yes, yes. Oh, I don't like the way that looks. Yeah, I do not like the way that looks. No way, Jose. Nope. We're gonna have to cut these. I just set up the entire planner, and I was going to put this page in the back here in this last section, but I changed my mind. I'm putting it in the beginning, just so that I can constantly see my goals at a glance. And here it'll have January, February, all the way down to December, and I'll line out my goals and some details on there. And then the monthly tab, I need to print out these inserts, which it's just going to be monthly overviews. It's going to look just like this, where it's kind of like on this side of the paper. I like space to write in notes. I can put this one in there since it does say January. This is from my own. I created this insert by myself. And so these are how my monthly inserts will look, and they will go here. And then I also have, actually, this is in the wrong tab. Let's go here in the monthly. So I know it doesn't match, and that's okay. I'm gonna remake this insert. And then I have my daily inserts. I use these every single day. These inserts are from 8 Lotus or Infinity Lotus. I'm not exactly sure the exact name, but it's from that brand. This is actual a PDF file that I bought and I print on a daily basis. I really like these. Every single day I write in them. Here's an example. I'm always writing in them and basically just putting all the things that I have to do. I like that it has like a little inspiration piece here, and all my to-dos can go here. The date I usually put up here, any notes, any meals that I'm eating, and my top 3 goals for the day. And then I have my list section, which is, I think this is my favorite section of my entire planner, just because I am a list person. I make so many lists, and I feel like this section is going to have a lot of my attention and a lot of my love, and I really love this section. This is my finance section, and as you can see, it has the Hobonichi weeks in there. I will put the week, the day of the month, and the week up here, and I plan on tracking my expenses with these inserts and just tracking like finances, where I'm spending my money, any financial goals that I want to kind of jot down or something. I will use this section for. I am a very big planner when it comes to money, so I rather have that in my as a weekly thing, as like tracking my expenses, tracking my bills and all that stuff. I do have a budget planner, which is completely separate, but I do want to track my expenses on the go, and this is perfect for me because I can track it on a daily basis. And you know, if I have a no spend, then I can put no spend days and whatnot. So this is really just to track my expenses mainly. Then I do have a note section, and that's where I put these little inserts in. I love these little mini inserts. I can take them out and put them anywhere inside my planner. I love these little guys. And then you have like little check boxes back here. They're perfect. And then back here, after this divider, I didn't put a label on here. And I think what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna put kind of like a mood board, or just like a small vision board back here of pictures and different things that I want to accomplish in 2020. And that's it. I kept my page flags here, and I'm keeping my stickers. And mind you, these are very minimal stickers, so I will only be using these to highlight something, or to just make something stand out. I'm not a really big sticker person. So I like using black ink, I love using gel ink, and that's it. That's really where my planning ends. That concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I would really love if you guys were to join my little family that I have here on YouTube. I have a big goal for 2020 of getting monetized on YouTube. Give this video a like. That tells me and YouTube that you guys like this type of content and I can make more of it for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.